Today we're looking at a 2015 certified Honda Civic SE. It's got 36,000 miles on it. All right, it's modern steel metallic in color. It's got a clean Carfax, 2 previous owners. We'll go ahead and walk around the vehicle with you. We'll start here on the driver's side. The driver's side of the Civic's in good shape. All right, it is equipped with a rear backup camera. Make our way down the passenger side. Also has the blind spot monitoring. All right, and we'll show you that in a second when we get inside the vehicle. All right, it's a 36,000 miles on it. Clean Carfax, 2 owners. It's a certified unit. Let's go ahead and take a look on the inside. Got the black on black door panels, power windows, power locks, power mirrors. Okay, it's got black cloth seating. Driver's seat looks good. Does come with the keyless entry key fob. Okay, and then right here in the middle, it's got your USB port. Passenger seat cloth is in good shape. All right, no problems there. It is an automatic. Okay, it's got your HDMI, USB, and power outlet down there. Climate controls here. It's going to have your radio display right here. Backup camera, touchscreen. Okay, up here it'll have another display. It'll be the time, the date, coordinates, all that kind of stuff. We'll show you that in a second. Steering wheel audio controls and Bluetooth. Got your blind spot monitoring button here. Econ button here. Let's go ahead and take a look at the mileage. Well, we've got it started. Go ahead and show you the mileage. It's got 36,353 miles. Okay, it's got the radio station there, your average fuel, the range, the temperature, the time. Okay, and then I'll pan out. You do have the digital speedometer over there, but you can just see how well lit this Civic is. Okay, with the nice blue lighting. All right, let's go ahead and engage the backup camera. And the backup camera is actually going to be down here on this touchscreen. Okay, let me dim that down just a little bit for you. Okay. Go back to the home page. These are your apps here. You got phone, audio, connect, info, settings. Let's go ahead and do the blind spot monitoring. All right, and that can be activated by pushing that button that I showed you left of the steering wheel. All right, or it can be activated by using your turn signals. All right, and it's exactly what it says it is. It displays your blind spot right here on the monitor. Okay, AC's blowing cold, no problems there. Let's go ahead and take a look in the back seat. All right, back seat cloth looks good, no stains down there. All right. Everything's in really good shape back here. Let's go ahead and give you the driver's eye view of the dash and the layout. All right, let's take a look at your trunk space. Carpet back here is clean. Got your spare tire down there. Okay, plenty of room back here, plenty of storage. Everything's nice and tidy back there. Let's take a look at the wheels and tires. Let's see what size we got here. 15-inch alloys. Okay, got the nice black trim around them here. Tires are in good shape. Plenty of tread left on them. All right, once again, we got a certified 2015 Honda Civic SE, 36,000 miles on it. Clean Carfax, just 2 previous owners. This thing's in great shape. Come down, check it out, take a test drive. And thanks for watching the video.